So someone recently on the forum DSLReports.com was asking how to use the speed test CLI on OS X. First, you need to go to the forum, speed test CLI. Then you need to go to the stickied binaries thread, the stickied binaries thread. Then you have your different binaries in a zip file, Windows, 64-bit, 32-bit, OS X, and Linux. We're both on OS X, so I'll do that one. Download it, and extract it by opening it. And there's the file. I already downloaded it previously, so that's why it has a 2 after it. Then you need to open a terminal. I like to use iTerm, but terminal is built into OS X as well. Works very similar. Now you need to make the file executable. To do that, you do chmod plus X. Then you drag the file. In case you're wondering I'm switching, I'm just basically command tabbing while holding down the file while dragging. Enter. And now you can run it by dragging it. I like to add sudo in front because it runs it as root, which means that it can do an ICMP ping test and the buffer bloat test. So I'll press enter to run it. And I need to type in my password. Enter. When the test is done, it provides a URL that you can share. And if you open it, it shows information about the test. Now, if you run the program again and add help after, it gives you options. Debug prints a bunch of information that you really don't need unless you're troubleshooting. Log, it's the same log that is here, just printed on screen while running the test. Uname and password, if you do that, it can log the test results to your DSLReports account. API key, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what machine name is either. And up and down, those are the respective amount of upload connections and download connections it makes. Upload time and download time. That's the amount of time it takes doing each of those tests. Per server, the number of connections or streams per server. Total streams, should be self-explanatory. Comment, it adds a text comment to the test results. Output is the type of format. JSON and CSV are used if you're writing a program that reads the results. I'm not sure how the daemon works. I'll try that later. I'm not sure what the JSON parameter names are for the auth file are. I think they're just using it in password, although I'm not sure. Platform, it's like where it says link unsure. It can say link GPRS, 3G, 4G, and so forth. I'm not sure that has any effect on the test itself, though, like how many connections it uses. It probably does. Lat long, you can specify latitude and longitude, and it uses that for the region to select the servers from. IPv4 does IPv4 only, same with IPv6. The help is this, and so on. So I'm going to do the log, dash dash down 24, dash dash up 12. Oops. There. If you scroll up, you can see the pings, like average ping, all pings. Because the difference between the ping is called jitter. A high jitter isn't very good, and so on. As you can see, we did the download test and now it's doing the upload test. And, like with the previous test, when it's done, you have a URL. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful, and goodbye.